Welcome to the channel. I'm ShadowScoutSwede. Today I will show you my new seeds I bought. And I bought 4 packages of them. But before we dive into those, we will be back after this message. Welcome back, guys. Let's get into this video, shall we? Here is my new seeds, 4 packages of them. And let's dive in and see what I got. We begin with this one. This is German winter, thyme, and these seeds are organic, sold by Nelson Garden. And thyme is a spice or herb I use a lot in my pasta sauces. I appreciate the flavor and the smell is so awesome. I really love it. We go to the next one. This is Rosie and this is Basil, which is a herb or spice I really appreciate as well. And these seeds are also organic, sold by the same company. So this will be interesting to test and see how the flavor is on this one. And the next one is lemon scent, and this is sold by Nelson Garden as well, but this one is not organic seeds, which is a little bit sad that this one is not organic, but it is what it is. And this is also basil. So this I never tried before, so this will be really interesting and see how the flavor and the smell is from this basil. And the last one is Wildfire. This is I don't know the English name for it, but you probably have the same name for it. It's rucola salad. So this is not organic either, which is really a little bit sad, but it is what it is. And this is sold by Nelson Garden as well. And rucola salad is a salad with a distinct flavor, in my opinion, but I really like it and I love the smell from it. So that's all the seeds I got for today, and this will be really interesting if I can make this grow. I need just to find the right soil for it. I live in an apartment, so I need to buy the soil for it. And then we'll see what happens. And I hope I will have some success with these seeds. That's all for today, guys. And if you're new to my channel, feel free to subscribe, like, share, and comment. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you get notified when I upload new videos and go live. Take care, stay safe, God bless, and be part of the solution, not the problem. ShadowScoutSwede out.